What are emulsions? An emulsion is a mixture of two immiscible liquids where one liquid is dispersed as small droplets in the other. Emulsions typically consist of oil and water and can be classified as either oil in water or water in oil. What are nanoemulsions? When the droplet size in an emulsion is reduced to the nanometer scale, it forms a nanoemulsion. Nanoemulsions are not only more stable but also have higher transparency and faster absorption, making them ideal for many industrial and research applications. The basic principles of nanoemulsions. The formation of nanoemulsions relies on mixing oil and water phases through high-efficiency techniques such as high-shear mixing, ultrasonication, or high-pressure homogenization to break the oil droplets down to the nanoscale. Surfactants are used to reduce interfacial tension and prevent droplet aggregation. Nanoemulsion preparation. The preparation of nanoemulsions involves high-efficiency mixing of oil and water phases. Techniques such as high-pressure homogenization and ultrasonication can reduce droplet size to the nanoscale, forming stable and uniform emulsions. Precise control of the preparation process is critical to the quality of the final product. Applications of nanoemulsions. Nanoemulsions have a wide range of applications spanning across various industries due to their unique properties and versatility. Due to their excellent stability and nanoscale droplet size, nanoemulsions are used in cosmetics for transparent skincare products, providing enhanced delivery of active ingredients and improved skin hydration. In the food industry, they are utilized to enhance the uniformity of nutrients or flavor components, ensuring consistent taste and texture in various food products. Additionally, in agriculture, nanoemulsions improve the dispersion and absorption efficiency of pesticides and fertilizers, leading to better crop protection and nutrient uptake, ultimately contributing to higher yields and more sustainable farming practices. BOC Sciences Nanoformulation Services. BOC Sciences offers professional nanoemulsion formulation development and customization services, covering every stage from formulation design to large-scale production. With advanced equipment and a skilled technical team, we provide high-quality nanoemulsion solutions for various industries. Contact us to learn more about our custom nanoemulsion formulation services.